I'm so hungry.
Yummy snacks for sale. Snacks for sale.
Snacks? Hi.
Hi, how can I help you?
Can I have some snacks?
Sure, what would you like?
Can I have these?
Just put your coin in and press the button, please.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
Ooh, I'm so hungry. I need to go find a snack.
Yummy snacks for sale. Snacks for sale.
Oh, there's a vending machine over there with snacks. Let's go. Hi.
Hi, how can I help you?
Can I have some snacks, please?
Sure, what would you like?
Can I have the chips, please?
Just put your coin in and press the button, please.
Thanks, bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
Hulk has a vending machine? I'll wait till he leaves and then I'll go take all of his stuff.
I'm gonna take a little break, guys. I'll be right back.
Ooh, he's leaving, guys. This is my chance to go take all his stuff. Time to do some shopping. Oh no! Thanks for all the free goodies, Hulk.
Where'd all my stuff go? I know what to do. Hi, can you help me? Someone stole all my food. Okay, bye.
This looks like a good spot to enjoy my snacks.
Luckily, it's Thanos who took all the snacks. Let's go sneak up on him.
Okay.
You took all my stuff. Give it back.
You caught me this time, but I'll get you guys next time.
Oh, Leah, he's gone. At least we got our snacks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Hey guys! Today we're doing the
Don't pick the wrong door challenge.
Woohoo! Okay, so we have a blue door and a yellow door, and behind them are a surprise and something bad. Okay, so there's 4 rounds. Anwar will go first in the first 2 rounds, and then me and Leah will go first in the last 2 rounds. And to make sure that nobody's cheating, the person that's choosing the door will be blindfolded.
Oh, we can't see them.
You won't see anything. Okay, are you guys ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Anwar, are you ready to choose your door?
Yep.
Which color are you gonna pick, blue or yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow, are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the yellow door. Okay, Anwar, are you ready to see what's behind the yellow door?
Yep.
Okay, open it up. What did you get?
V-Bucks.
What?
2,800. Yes.
Oh
Yes!
my goodness, you're
Yes!
so lucky!
Yes,
You picked the right door! Oh! Good job, Anwar!
Thanks.
You excited? You got V-Bucks!
Yep.
Okay, Anwar, let's go ahead and get your 2,800 V-Bucks.
Okay.
There we go.
So excited.
Did we get it?
Oh
my
Oh, 4,150 V-Bucks.
That's a lot of
Oh, that's a lot.
Okay guys, so Anwar got the good door, and now Leah, it's our turn. We get the bad door. I'm scared. What's behind the bad door, Leah? I don't know. Are you ready
Yeah.
to see?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Leah, you ready to open up the blue door? Oh boy, I'm nervous. What's it gonna be? Ah! Oh my gosh, it's Thanos! Hey, why are you guys on the same team? Leah, you're supposed to be on my team. Oh man, that was not a good door. Okay guys, so Leah and I lost that round. Anwar won that round.
Yay!
So let's go for another round, guys.
Yep.
Okay, Anwar, are you ready to choose your door?
Yep.
Are you gonna choose the blue or the yellow this time?
How How about blue this time?
Blue?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Anwar.
Eat my balls. Thank you, Thanos. Here you go, Thanos.
Anwar got the bad door. Okay, guys, we get the good door this time. Are you ready, Leah?
Yeah.
Okay, knock on the door. Who's inside? Open up. What did we get? What is that? Take it out. What did we get? So we got Fancy Nancy doll, and we got Poppy, and we also got this. What's this?
Poppy.
Barbie's Supermarket? Wow.
I got the wrong door this time, guys.
Okay, guys, let's see who's gonna get the wrong door in the next round. Okay, guys, so now me and Leah get to go first for the last 2 rounds. Okay, Leah, which door do you want to pick? Do you want us to pick yellow or blue?
Hello.
Okay, let's go pick yellow. Okay, you ready, Leah? Okay. What is that? Oh my goodness, Leah, you can take your blindfold off. What is it? Look. What did you get? Slime. That's your favorite. Touch it. Touch the slime. Let's see it. Ooh. Okay, guys, so Leah and I got the wrong door. So now it's Anwar's turn. Let's see what he gets behind the blue door.
Let's open the blue door.
Let's see, what did you get?
A Spider-Man costume.
Whoa.
Whoa, so cool.
Let's try it on.
Okay. I'm Spider-Man. Bye-bye.
Okay, guys, so Leah and I got the wrong door again, and we got slime. But Leah, you liked the slime, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's gonna be the last round. Leah and I get to choose first again. Are you ready, Leah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, Leah, are you ready?
Yeah.
Which door do you want to pick, yellow or blue?
Lolo.
Yellow?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Leah, open the yellow door. Let's see what's behind. What is it? Thanos. Woo! Throw them at him. He just threw them at you.
Oh man, Thanos got me.
He did. He got us with all those balls, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's see what Anwar's gonna get. Okay, Anwar, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what's behind the blue door. Come on out. Oh no, Spider-Man has his shield. Good job, Spider-Man.
No. Yeah.
Oh no, guys, it looks like Thanos tricked us both. Both doors were wrong doors.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. We gotta go find the eggs, guys. Aha! I found an egg, guys. Here's the red egg, guys. Here's Spider-Man. Catch you guys later. Aha! I found the pink egg, guys. I'm Thor, guys. I found the blue egg, guys. Here's Captain America. Shield block. Bye. Aha! Another egg, guys. Here's a yellow egg, guys. This is Iron Man. Time to fly. Aha! Another egg, guys. It's the color green. I'm Hulk. This is Mini-Me. Hulk smash! Let's check inside the house, guys. Thanos, this is my gauntlet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!